Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Jordan Williams.
Good morning, Central Oregon. A happy September as well to all my fellow September babies out there. And September has brought some good news if you like hotter weather. It says warmer temperatures, but we're actually seeing some hotter weather here in Central Oregon. Mostly clear skies as well, so good news on that front too. Our outlook for today. Now, yesterday we had a high of 76. That was 5 degrees below our average of 81. Now we're expecting to see a high of 91. 10 degrees above our average. That's a 15-degree difference. The high today is closer to the record of 100 degrees set in 1967. Our low of 48 today is also 6 degrees above our average of 42. Now for our smoke forecast. This morning we do see a little bit of coverage in Central Oregon. Madras, Prineville not seeing much, but as our ticker moves on, we don't see much smoke coverage at all around noon. Sun River, just a little bit of light coverage, but not much. Now, as we continue moving on into Tuesday evening, some of that smoke comes back into the Sisters and Warm Springs area. And as we move into Wednesday morning, some of that smoke comes back into Central Oregon. You can see Redmond, Bend, Sisters, all of it now seeing light coverage, light smoke and hazy conditions. Warm Springs up there seeing more moderate conditions. So Wednesday will be a little bit more smoky than what we have today, but certainly clearer conditions than we've seen recently. Now, for our winds, something we always keep a very close eye on while there are fires burning. Right now we are seeing northerly winds kind of right through the spine of Central Oregon. 6-mile-per-hour gusts in Bend, 3 in Redmond, 6 in Madras. Now for our current conditions in Central Oregon, 55 in Warm Springs is going to be your hottest number up there, followed by Bend at 54, Madras at 52, down in the southern parts of Deschutes County, Sun River at 42, and Lapine at 39. Now, yesterday, if you were with me, you'll remember some of these conditions were very low. In Jefferson and Wasco County, Warm Springs and Maupin were the only cities in the 80s. That's right, the 80s. Now, if we look, everywhere is in the 90s, except for Shaniko at 88, Warm Springs 95, Maupin at 94. Into Crook County, same story. Yesterday we saw 74, 75 degrees. Now we're seeing 89, 90, and 91. 15-degree difference as well in Deschutes County. Yesterday a high of 76. Now we are seeing 90s nearly across the board. 81 in the High Lakes area, 87 in Brothers, 92 in Lapine, and mostly 90s for the rest of Deschutes County. Now for our allergy forecast, if you are allergic to grass, you may want to stay away because we're seeing low pollen counts there. None for the trees, none for the weeds, and none in the mold. Now to our 7-day forecast. Clear skies on the horizon. That's a beautiful sight. We don't want to see any more smoke. And for the rest of your work week, it should be clear as well. It is going to get hot though. HOT, capital letters in red. 98 on Friday, nearly triple digits. 95 Saturday, 96 Sunday. Then we're going to cool off just a little bit for 93 on Monday. It's 12 minutes past the hour. You're watching Sunrise on News Channel 21.